In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Skills on Claude AI. Now, using Skills is fairly simple. You first need to ensure that you've added them to your account. To do that, you're going to go ahead and open up Claude and then select Customize. Come to the section labeled Skills, and then from here, you have different ways you can add a skill to your account. You can choose to browse through the different skills that they do have available, and then you can just go ahead and select the plus button to add that skill to your account. Or you can select Add, and you can now choose whether you want to create your own custom skill, if you want to write instructions for that skill, or if you want to upload a skill file to your account. So it's completely up to you. Now, once you've gone ahead and done all of that, you're then going to select this plus icon in the generation section. From here, you're going to select the option skills, and then you should be able to see all the skills that you currently have added to your account. So go ahead and select one like so. And once you've selected it, it should appear here. From here, you're then going to put in your prompt. You're going to choose the model you want, and then you're going to send off this prompt, and you should be able to receive exactly what you asked for. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.